Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're back to making another casserole. This time it's called Super Easy Leftover Beef Casserole, and the purpose of this video is to show you a shortcut and a really easy and tasty way to use leftover roast beef. And if you're looking for more great meals and appetizers, you might want to check out my cookbook. It's available on Amazon, and I've provided a quick link in the description below the video. For every recipe that's in this book, there's also a video that matches it. Just scan the QR code inside the book and it'll take you straight to my channel. Alright, let's go back to the kitchen. Okay, so let's get right back to the video that's at hand. And I'll show you this recipe and the amounts as we go along. And the video is mostly about how to put this together. It's a bit of a shortcut type casserole. So that's the whole idea of this one. It's quick and easy. Start by melting a tablespoon of butter in the bottom of a medium-sized frying pan. Add a cup of chopped sweet onion. Then also add 1 generous cup of sliced carrots. So we just go ahead and place those carrots in with the onions and saute them together. After a minute or two of stirring them around a little bit and getting them to start to brown, I would place just a little bit of water on it to get a little steam created, and then cover it so that the carrots will actually tenderize a little bit better. And you only need to do that for just a few minutes as well. You don't want the carrots to be fully cooked, you want them to still be a tiny bit crisp. Now take your cooked roast beef and chop it up into chunks, and you'll add at least a cup of that, maybe a cup and a half. And stir that together until it's combined nicely. Then remove that from the heat and set it aside. Using a large bowl, we'll go ahead and assemble the casserole. And of course you'll need a large spoon to stir this with. So start by adding 1/4 cup of softened butter, then add 4 cups of boiling water, and the next step is really what makes this a shortcut. You can use the scalloped potatoes from a box, and that just makes it really quick and easy. If you can find some that's just scalloped potatoes with cheddar, all the better. This one is cheddar and bacon, and that's fine too. You will need 2 boxes of scalloped potatoes, and you'll need to add both the potatoes and the sauce mixes that are inside both boxes. Speaking of scalloped potatoes, I have a scalloped potato recipe in my recipe book, and I have a couple of videos of 2 different types that you could do and just add the roast beef to them as well. But there would be a little bit more prep time with those ones, which if you have the time, then it's certainly worth it. But this recipe is to show you a shortcut on those days, those really busy days when you come home from work and you're in a hurry, you want to use up leftovers. This is a great idea to get something on the table very quickly. Perhaps it should be named Shortcut Casserole, right? That being said, let's get back to finishing this casserole. Now then, we just simply add the beef, carrots, and onions to the rest of the mixture. And then give it a good stir. And finally add 1 cup of milk. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Stir that milk in until it's well combined. Then go ahead and grease your casserole dish. And you'll need a casserole dish that's about a 9 by 11 inch size. Simply pour the casserole mixture into the casserole dish and spread it out evenly. Then place your casserole in a preheated 450 degree Fahrenheit oven and place it on the middle rack. Then set your timer somewhere between 30 to 40 minutes. Then when you remove it from the oven, your carrots should be nice and tender and the casserole should be partially set. It will be hot and bubbly and nice and brown around the edges. There it is, looking pretty good. So here's another great casserole for you to try. Yeah, so let's go ahead and dish some up. Do you want some? This is so easy to make, you can have dinner on the table in less than 45 minutes. And use up some leftover meat while you're at it. And you go ahead and give a thumbs up for this video and leave some comments in the comments section. Each of these help the channel to be promoted. And if you're looking for a good book to read, or you know someone else that is, here's a really good science fiction, action-packed book that's hard to put down once you start reading it. This book is the first of a series, and it's wrote by my son Ryan. Although it's available on Apple Books and Google Play, it's also available on Amazon, and I have provided a quick link in the description below this video. Thanks for subscribing to Best Recipes with Sharon. I hope you enjoy the how to make videos that are provided on this channel and the recipes that are included. And until next time, happy eating!